The battle over a mid-Michigan barbershop rages on tonight. A 77-year-old barber in the small town of Owosso continues to operate, defying the governor's executive orders.
Today, the barber got a big win. A judge ruled in his favor, allowing him to stay open after the Attorney General tried to shut him down. Alicia Bergio from our Flint affiliate spoke with the barber and his lawyer today.
The courts are going to be deciding these things. Are these executive orders legal or not? It's our position they are not.
David Coleman, Karl Manke's attorney, saying in a Monday press conference that his law firm will back Manke all the way up to the Supreme Court if they have to.
Certain businesses are favored, they can open. Other businesses are unfavored, they stay shut. And their businesses get destroyed. That's what we're fighting in this case.
Last week, Manke was given 2 citations from police and a health protection order demanding he cease operation or he would be shut down. On Monday, his sign is still flashing and Manke is still up and running.
I had to get back to work. I feel that it's my right to work.
An emotional Manke overwhelmed by the crowd.
I cannot believe the support that I've got.
People even driving from out of state to get a trim.
I came out here from Norman, Oklahoma, and I came out here to support this fine gentleman. I think it's fantastic. I'm really glad to see everyone here.
Those who oppose his decision, including the governor, feel his barbershop being open is putting people at risk.
But I expect people to follow the law. These executive orders are not a suggestion. They're not optional. They're not helpful hints. This is an order to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Despite the backlash,
I'm going to stay home until Jesus comes.
Amen. The Attorney General's office did send us a statement saying even though the judge denied the request to shut Manke's business down, they are trying to request a hearing on the matter as soon as possible.